The PS5 needs a bit more storage space, so I'm going to try this Samsung 1TB 980 Pro with Heatsink. I've read about different read speeds depending on the SSD's production date. This one was manufactured December 21st, 2021, so I'll see what I get. The side cover without the PS logo is the one that has to be removed. This corner that is opposite the PS5 logo has to be lifted about 1/4 of an inch to release the tab molded in the cover from the case. Once lifted, the side cover slides toward the bottom and then lifts off. There is a metal cover panel with one screw holding it on. Remove that screw and the cover. There are a lot of open holes in the case, so a magnetic Phillips screwdriver might be the safest to use. Sure don't want to drop a screw into any of the vent holes. The SSD hold-down screw and a spacer are installed in the 110mm position. They will have to be removed. The spacer will be installed in the hole at the 80mm position. The SSD, held at a slight angle, will just push into the connector. Then if it's in the correct position, when pushed flat, the notch in the SSD will align with the 80mm screw position. Then the covers go back on. I now see why they are being picky about the SSDs that go into the PS5. No air flows over the SSD. I didn't see any holes in the compartment the SSD sets in. Seems to me there might be a market for a replacement cover, something that would help transfer the heat of the SSD to the outside where the air is moving. At first boot, after installing the SSD, this is the options. Basically format the SSD or remove it. Fair enough. Shows a read speed of about 6.5 gigabytes a second. That seems pretty good. Not 7, but also not 5. After a few weeks of use, I would say it's a good upgrade. Large games moved to the new SSD do boot a few seconds faster, and less waiting is always good. Now time may be money, but I don't think that really applies when you're killing it playing a game. Thank you for watching.